Comments are used to add explanatory notes or descriptions in the code, which are ignored by the compiler. They help developers understand the code and make it more maintainable. There are three basic types of comments: single-line comments and multi-line comments, also called delimited comments, as a standard comments and XML comments. In this lecture, we will learn standard comments. A single-line comment begins with the characters // and extends to the end of the line. It is used for brief explanations or notes on one line. A multi-line comment, also called a delimited comment, begins with the characters /* and ends with the characters */. Delimited comments can occupy a portion of a line, a single line or multiple lines.